Good afternoon. Welcome to Tarot with Miranda on Monday, the 23rd of June. Right, this is a reading for Jay. Okay, I unfortunately have already laid the cards out. The blessed phone wasn't recording for some unknown reason, so this is where we are now. But nevertheless, let's just carry on getting stuck in here. All right, so a change in circumstances, a change in financial circumstances, definitely. But all is not lost, and there's help from an unexpected source. Okay, it's no good worrying and being unhappy about what was, because it's not what was is no longer what is. There is a change, yes, in material possessions and things. It's the end of a cycle. That's also what I see. There is financial help from family. It's your turn to reap the harvest. You don't like being out of control. It's something that doesn't sit well with you at all. Yet this situation will be resolved and be resolved properly. I hope that helps. Thank you very much.